Are you living in the cold? Check out this project that will warm up your space. All right, let's get started. This small fireplace and wall-mounted TV was not working out, and we needed something better and better organized. This project is in a cold basement apartment where the mother of the owner lives and stays, and we wanted to make it nice and comfortable for her. They didn't want to go to the expense of a gas fireplace, but they wanted a good electric fireplace option, one that looks nice and heats up the space better. I'll have a link in the description below of the fireplace that we're using, so you can go check that out. The beauty of this project is that I was able to build it in my garage and then put it all together in the space in just a couple of days. The owner texted me a few images of what she liked and what she wanted it to look like. She liked the white shiplap, a dark wood mantle, a place for the TV above the mantle, where she wanted some extra storage space as well. It was a little tricky how tight it was in the corner of the room with the location of the existing window on one side and the plumbing cleanout on the other side. There was no electrical outlet for the fireplace, so that was the first thing that had to be added. I love designing in 3D, so I went to my favorite program, SketchUp, to start laying out the design based on the measurements of the space. I told them that I would come up with the design based on all the elements that they wanted. I was having a hard time with that existing big TV they wanted to keep above the mantle. It was so big, it felt off balance. I recommended having a piece of art there instead, but that was their main TV viewing location for that space. I added a hearth at the height of the baseboard that helped give the design a bigger base and an anchor to the design. For this fireplace project, we have detailed plans available in the description box below. We have the same fireplace that we love and use all the time, so I suggested this as a better option for a better looking and a better heating fireplace. I ended up needing to add a new outlet to the back of the fireplace to hide the cord and plug in the fireplace. There was no basement door to easily access the room they wanted this in, so I designed it in sections and built it in my garage so it'd be easier to install into their basement. I remember a senior year of high school, it was the best. I had 3 different woodshop classes where I spent all my time. My dad had me build furniture, shelves, mantles, and things for him all the time. He would buy the materials and I would design and build things for him for all over the house. 30 years later, he's still using and loves his honey oak furniture and fireplace mantle. What cool projects have you made for your parents? Tell us in the comments. One really cool feature that I added to this project was the hidden storage in the mantle. I was able to design a cool space for storing the DVDs, all the electronics for the TV and audio system. I think it turned out perfect for the space. The owner ended up buying a new TV last minute, which helped everything look so much better. And it's one of those TVs that looks like art hanging on the wall. There will be a link of that TV in the description below. I love how you don't see any of the cords for the TV. What do you think about how it turned out? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.